Family, we are deep into the mist in the forest at Kakum National Park, and it has been just a beautiful hike across all of these wonderful canopy. And what we're doing is I'm gonna flip and show you all of the wonderful brothers and sisters that we have that are just enjoying this hike across the canopy. The nature walk was beautiful, but this literally top it off. And it's somewhere we would come every year, deep into the forest. And when people see the down shot of how far the drop is, you know, your stomach just falls out. So family, let me just show you what we got going on. So you got a little bit of money right there. The brave soldier leading the way. Yeah. Fearless leader, Mr. Bomani. It's just a canopy walk and you're having a good time. We're not rocking and rolling, but we're shaking it. And this is probably the highest peak right here, what you're looking at. And it is incredible on this drop. I just got to put on this strap in case things fall, because we are deep up in the heights of the canopy. These brave men and women are enjoying it. And look for the drop. It is far up.
Come on in, Daddy. Come on in, Daddy. Go to Daddy. Come on to Daddy. Yeah. That's it.
Yeah, I know.
And I mean, we are up in the trees. And then you just fall. Woo, boom.
No.
You are brave. You are brave. You're a true soldier. You're making it. You're the man. You're the man. You're doing it. You're doing it. You're doing it. There you go. Excellent. Excellent. Yes, Shannon. Yes, everybody. We only got a few more to go. It's only a few more to go. It is not that bad.
Yeah, this was 3, right? I'm counting. I'm right behind you.
Yes, right. Just bust a shot with us. Come on. Come on. Mama, we gotta get you in front. We gotta get you in front because there's only way you can get off is if you go back. Only way you can get off is if you go do all the canopy. Okay? You wanted to do this, right? You're excited, right?
No.
Why are you so scared?
Because it's moving.
It's moving. That's what canopies do. They move. Don't let us have a child restriction on these things. You're supposed to represent for the little babas, right? Right? You sure it say? It said love, right? You can, so I can do it. I'm a trooper. I can do it. I can do it. Come on, Bomani. Go, Bomani, go. Go, Bomani, go. Go, Bomani, go. Go, Bomani, go. Uh-oh. The canopy walk. The canopy is you're overweighting it. Uh-oh. It is good. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Show it. You can do it. Come on. You're almost there. Almost there. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Oh. Let the canopy swing. Hey. Let the canopy swing.
No.
Remember, if you fall, just use your parachute. Make sure you pull your chute before you drop.
No one gave me one.
He said no one gave me one.
This is so cool, but man, you been waiting for this for a long. Last time you came in 2012, you stayed at One Africa. Now this time you're a big boy. Now you get a chance to roll on the canopy, roll on the canopy, roll, 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 swing, swing. But remember, don't jump without your parachute. Next thing, you're almost there. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. And it's gonna be all right. See, this is where we came from. See the elevation?
Almost there.
So what I'm trying to find, I'm just looking for the lions, and all the wild animals. That way if we do fall, make sure we don't get eaten. So if you do fall, you better run fast. Y'all are so brave. Y'all up here already.
All right.
We're almost there. We're almost home. We only got a few more canopies to go. We are swinging and swinging in the trees. Come on.
No, it's not me. No,
There's no way we can get. We got to keep on going so we can get off. Don't you want to go back? Come on, let's finish. The quicker you finish, the quicker we move. We are going to do it. We are going to do it. Come on, show that you're brave. Show you're brave, all right? If you're in the forest and a lion attacked you, right, what do? You chop up the lion, right? Chop him up, right? Right? Were you texting and crossing the canopy?
I was video.
You know that's illegal.
Video with money.
Dun, dun, dun.
We're almost done.
We're almost there. Oh my God, look how far we came. We're almost there. Yeah, we are almost there. Swinging in the trees on the canopy. Swinging, swinging, swinging on the trees on the canopy. Look at this drop. Woo, boom. Yeah, your stomach just fell right there. Remember if the canopy popped, the swing like you're on one of them Indiana Jones movies. Swing, swing, swing on the canopy.
Move it.
Come on, run. You can do it. Run. Bomani, move it. On the canopy. If you have never done anything like this, you do not know what you are missing. Put it on your bucket list before you kick the bucket. Bring out the energy in you.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Come on, little money. You got it. You got it.
Yeah.
You're a trooper.
Come on, lead the way, man. Come on,
you got it.
Come on.
You
Come
got
on.
it.
Keep it rolling. Don't let them catch you. Don't you want to win? Don't you want to be the champion?
No. Because it's slippery.
Too slippery. Uh-oh, this thing like it's about to bust. Y'all better get out before this thing pop. Come on, jump off before it pop. It's like about to pop. Come on, let me help you up. Come on. Jump. Woo, you made it.
Yeah. Steep.
You made it, brother. You made it, Bomani.
Come